Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Headspace session keeps on crashing. So if you're in a Headspace meditation session and the Headspace app just keeps on crashing, then in this video I found a few ways on how you can basically fix this. So let's start with fix number one. And basically Headspace has just stated on their website that you need to have a proper Wi-Fi connection or cellular mode needs to be enabled in order to basically use Headspace. So make sure to just double check your Wi-Fi to see if maybe that just already fixes your issue. Now, if you basically double check that and it's still not working, then the second thing you might want to try and do is simply logging out and then logging back in to your Headspace account. To do this, open the app, go to the bottom right, and then just scroll down here, go to the top left, here's at settings, and then click on log out and click on yes. And basically, once you're done that, you will be logged out and you can just simply log back in with your email and password, and you can see if maybe that just fixes your issue. Now, if that still did not fix your issue, then what you can do is try to clear the cache on the Headspace app. To do this, open settings like this, then scroll down to general, iPhone storage, and once you've done that, scroll down again to Headspace, and then what you need to do is click on offload app. Once you've done that, wait a few seconds and then click on reinstall app back again using this page. And once you've done that, you've basically cleared the cache on the Headspace app and you can see if that maybe fixes your issue. Now, if that still did not fix your issue, then you might want to try to see if you have enough storage on your device. Because every time you start a new meditation session, that will basically be downloaded to your device. But it's really important that you have enough storage, because if you don't have enough storage on your device, basically Headspace will not be able to download it and it will basically just crash. So make sure to check this by going into your settings, general, iPhone storage or Android storage, and make sure that you have at least 1 GB left on your device so Headspace can actually download some sessions to your device. Now, if it still did not fix your issue, what you can then do is basically trying to restart your device. This is really easy on iPhone and Android, this can be done, but maybe this will just fix that issue for you. Shouldn't be too hard to do. And basically, once you've done that, you have basically tried all of the previous things. Basically, it's still not working. Then what I would recommend doing is simply reinstalling the entire app. To do this, hold the app down on your home screen, click on remove app, and then simply reinstall back again using the App Store. Basically, once you've done that, just log back into your account and you should be good to go, and you can maybe see if that fixes your issue. And that are basically all of the fixes I have found for you online. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. And that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.